Good morning, students of class 10. In live class, we have started one new chapter, angle properties of a circle, and we completed the explanation of this chapter. These three theorems are in our syllabus. The relationship between the angle at the center and the angle at the circumference. Second, the angles in the same segment. And third, the angle in the semicircle. In this exercise, almost the questions are based on these three theorems, and if you follow the syllabus, then proof does not require if it is not mentioned. We have started the exercise also. In exercise 3, in exercise 3 we have completed till question number 2. Few questions are left for you to solve at home as your homework, and here in video class I start from question number 3. This figure is given. One circle is drawn with center O. BC is the diameter. A is any point on the circumference. Then in triangle ABC, this angle is 40 degree. AC and BD, AD and BD, these two are chords. Those meet at point D and subtends the angle at the circumference, that is X. We are asked to find out the value of X. So in triangle ABC, this angle A, is angle in the semicircle. So this is right angle. For that I wrote angle BAC equal to 90 degree, angle in the semicircle. Then sum of these three angles, this plus this plus this, equal to 180 degree. Reason the sum of angles of a triangle. For that I have written angle ABC, this angle, plus angle BAC, this angle, plus angle ACB, this angle, equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of angles. These two values we have 40 plus 90 plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. The sum of these two became 130 degree plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree by the rule of transposition. Therefore angle ACB equal to 50 degree. This angle became equal to 50 degree. Now we see angle ACB and angle ADB both are in the same segment, because the starting point of these chords are common. This angle is subtended by AC and BC, so the starting point of these two chords are A and B. Similarly, this angle is subtended by the chords AD and BD, and the starting point of these two chords are A and B. So in both cases we find the angle, we find the starting point of these two chords are common, that is A and B. Therefore these two angles are in angle in the same segment, and angle in the same segment will be equal. So angle ACB equal to angle ADB, 50 equal to X. Therefore the value of X became 50 degree. In question number 3C, this figure is given. AB is the diameter and this angle AOC is 120 degree. Angle BDC is X. We are asked to find out the value of this X. For that, at first I found angle BOC, this angle. Angle BOC equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. This is the straight angle 180 degree. From straight angle we have subtracted 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree. Reason is straight angle. Therefore angle BOC equal to 60 degree. This angle became equal to 60 degree. Now angle BDC. angle BDC equal to half of angle BOC. BDC is angle at the circumference that we are going to find out. So for that I have written angle at the circumference as the reason. Angle BDC is x, half BOC is 60 degree. I calculated it and I got x equal to 30 degree. That is the answer. In question number 3, one circle is given. In this ABC and ADB, these two triangles are inscribed, and which angle ACB equal to 30 degree, angle BAD equal to 35 degree, and angle ABD equal to 60 plus x. This angle is 60 plus x, means this angle plus this angle 60 plus x. We are asked to find out the value of x. For that I have written these two angles are equal because angles in the same segment. For that angle ACB equal to angle ADB equal to 30 degree. Angles in the same segment. So angles in the same segment are equal. So I wrote here angles in the same segment. In triangle ABD, the sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree. For that I have written angle BAD plus angle ADB plus angle ABD equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of angles. These values are given. BAD is 35, ADB is 30, that we have got from above, and this ABD, this complete angle ABD is 60 plus x. So I wrote here 60 plus x equal to 180 degree. Then I added these three, 125 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 minus 125 by the rule of transposition. So x equal to 55 degree. That is the answer. In question number 4, this figure is given. There are two triangles inscribed in a circle. Those two triangles are triangle APB and triangle AQB. And the value of this angle at the circumference is 25 degree. So angle AQB is 25 degree. And we are asked to find angle PAB plus angle PBA. Angle PAB plus angle PBA, these two angles, sum of these two angles. As it is given angle AQB equal to 25 degree, for that we can write angle AQB equal to angle APB. This angle equal to this angle, because angles in the same segment, that is equal to 25 degree. So angle APB also became 25 degree. Now we come in triangle this APB, sum of all these three angles equal to 90 degree. For that I have written angle PAB, this angle, plus angle PBA, this angle, plus angle APB, this angle, equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of angles of the triangle. Now angle PAB plus angle PBA plus 25 equal to 180. Therefore angle PAB plus angle PBA equal to 180 minus 25. Angle PAB plus angle PBA equal to, this subtraction is 155. In question number 6, this figure is given. PQ is diameter and PTQ is triangle. Here angle at the center is 42 degree, and we are asked to find RTS. For that RQS is angle at the circumference for this angle at the center, because the starting point is common, R and S. So I repeat, RQS is angle at the circumference for this angle at the center. So from the theorem, angle RQS equal to half of angle ROS, means angle at the circumference is half of angle at the center. For that reason, angle at the circumference, that we are going to find out, that reason I have written here. So angle RQS equal to half into 42, the value of ROS is 42, I kept here half into 42, therefore angle RQS equal to 21 degree. Now PRQ, this angle, PRQ is 90 degree, reason is angle in the semicircle from the theorem. Now QRT, this angle, QRT equal to 180 minus 90 degree, because this is straight angle, so this is 180 degree and this much we have 90 degree. So this angle QRT equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree, reason is straight angle. Now in triangle QRT, the sum of these three angles, this plus this equal to 180 degree. So this we have got already 21 degree. This is 90 degree. So 21 plus 90 plus RTQ equal to 180 degree. So RTQ equal to 180 minus sum of this is 111. So RTQ will be written as RTS. Both angles are same, so we can write RTQ as RTS. Therefore, RTS equal to this minus this equal to 69 degree. That is the answer.